Guys, the latest whispers from the Apple rumor mill says that Apple is cooking something special in their next iteration of Apple Pencil. Welcome back to Mediapract, your friendly tech hub where we simplify the complex world of technology for you. My name is Himanshu and today we got to know that the Apple Pencil now can work with both iPad and the coolest Vision Pro. So let's break it down and see what's in the store. Apple is on a quest to redefine how we can interact with technology, and their latest endeavor involves a potential game changer for their Vision Pro users. According to recent reports by Mac Rumors, Apple is in the work of developing a new version of the Apple Pencil that could seamlessly integrate with both the Apple Vision Pro and iPad. While details remain speculative, the report suggests that this new Apple Pencil is being tested to function with Vision OS, offering users to whole new level of interaction. If successful, users may soon find themselves drawing on flat surface on desks with their creation appearing on the Vision Pro, turning the surrounding into a vast canvas. Although the specifics are still unconfirmed, rumors hint that the new Apple Pencil could make its debut alongside upcoming iPad Pro and iPod Air models in April. However, whether it will initially support Vision OS or if support will be added in the later iterations remaining uncertain. With the potential of Vision OS 2 to be unveiled at the Apple's WWDC in June, it's possible that the further details regarding the Apple Pencil compatibility will be disclosed then. Until then, we are eagerly anticipate the next innovative leap from Apple in the realm of user interaction. And that's all in this video. If you like this video, if you find it useful and informative, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Until next time, keep watching and stay tuned for more.